Hey there, you awesome Newsome nestlings. Welcome back to our class today, either CSIM or CSE. So we have been trucking along pretty quickly for the last week and a half. So now we have wrapped up our Google training and our training with digital citizenship. And we are not far from looking at what we will call a certification. For those of you that need it in lay terms, that means test. But we're not going to think about it with that nasty word test. We're going to think about it with certification, because with certification in Google and digital citizenship, you earn badges and you earn certificates saying that you know how to do this stuff and that you are a pro and wizard and guru. So, as we prepare for that, we are going to dive straight into number 6 today, which has a Quizlet attached to it. If you are not familiar with Quizlet, what that is it is a digital repository or place or space for flip cards. So in your core content classes, so let's say science, you'll probably have a lot of these that are where your vocab terms will live. All right, so for our space, ours is just going to have some key terms here and there. You'll never see this by itself as a test, because 100% of everything we do in here is project-based, which means it's impossible for you to fail if we are doing what we're supposed to do. So this is really just for us to take a look-see at, and for us to save, and for us to be able to understand and move forward with all of this knowledge. All right, so right here, you guys have the link to that Quizlet, and I also created a class for the Quizlet so that you'll be able to get right back to these. So let's say we are 18 weeks in the future, and you wanted to take a look back at these, then you will have the link to be able to do that. All right, it's probably also not a super bad idea for you to run a few of the tests. So if you are familiar with Quizlet, you know that you can test yourself. There are games that you can play within Quizlet to help you review those terms. We can even run what's called a Quizlet live game in the class, where we review as teams and you guys are pitted up against each other. So I really, really love Quizlet. So all you are supposed to do with this assignment, my darlings, is that you click here, and then you look through all of those terms. There's not a lot of them for our Google Apps for Education. And then when you feel good, I want you to drop me a private comment just to let me know that you're done. And you literally can copy and paste this statement right here. Miss Newsome, I have looked at these key terms and understand them well enough for a certification test. All right, so mañana, which means tomorrow in Spanish, we're going to be certifying in Google. So I really need you guys to jump in this and take it seriously. I will be jumping in and out of you guys' Google accounts and taking a look at what we possibly need to make up all the way back from number 1 to number 5, so that we can all get on the same page. So if when you look at your home screen in Google Classroom and you see that you have a very sad grade, let's turn that sad upside down from a frown to a smile, and let's talk about what it is that you guys don't understand. We have videos there for you, or I can sit there and I can talk you through every single step again. All right, so go ye therefore and be amazing, and I will be right here jumping in and out and talking to you guys. If you need me on the iPad, come and grab it. If you want to reach out to me in a private comment, that works, and email, that works too. All right, go ye therefore, good luck, and be awesome.